Okay, welcome to another episode of Transformation. So I'm going to do another recap. But before I do the recap, I want to take you through some of the things that I do, okay, at backstage. Most of you think that I just use the replay mode or what. And a lot of stories, okay. So first of all, in my mentorship, I don't train people to become, to be looking for signals, right? I train you to be able to create your own signals. So that's the point, okay? I'm not entertaining people who are looking for signals. I'm giving you a strategy that works that you can create signals. All right, so let's go to my Telegram. Let me show you. Okay, so now this is the mass mentorship that I started, mass mentorship. Okay. So when it comes to the general mass mentorship, there's a general where we do every discussion. There's assignments. There's where I post the Zoom session, and then there's a Q&A where people are able to ask questions on the subject matter that I've taught. Okay. So now look at it. When I give assignment, this is how the assignment are presented, and I do a video. When you submit the assignment on the session, I'll go through all the assignment. At least I'll do most of the assignment, the ones that are making that have things that I have to talk about. For instance, here, and then I post. So you can see that in my Zoom session, this is a Zoom session where I was talking about the assignment. Okay. I was marking people's assignments. Yes. The price. Okay, I think it's rather this one where I was talking about people's assignments. I was correcting the assignment, and I do that. Okay, and then after the assignment, that is I do videos on the assignment. Okay, so the assignment when you do, I see. So you see, this guy presented an assignment. This is an assignment on direction, how to identify direction. Then you go to the assignment on how to identify setup and other stuff. Okay, so this is the latest assignment that I've given. Okay, upon all the things that I've taught, I gave this assignment. So prepare a training plan using model one, okay, and model two, and support your plan at each level. Where is it? Okay, and support your plan at each level with a chart. So with this one, you're preparing a trading plan based on what I've taught. So I have three models, model one, model two, and model three. So currently under our training, we are under model two. Okay, so this is what I do. And again, when it comes to charts, after graduating, I add all these people to this channel, this academic group, okay, where I don't give signal. I'm telling you, I will not lie. I don't give signal there. One, so I have a setup, I can post it there. But majority of the people are posting their own setup. So look here, another setup, right? Today, this person posted the setup, okay, and he sent it to me personally. Posted the setup and said this is analysis two, right? And let's see, this is it. He sent me this chat and I replied, he said validate it. So I replied with this, that okay, we have a QMM here at the level and we have a base opposite it. And that is the same level he had marked to see the SNL. So he said, okay, it means the QM level is highly sensitive and double confirmation. Yes, right? And that is it. And we took the trade. And that's the trade that I'm going to explain today so that you not think that it is replay. Yes, sometimes I'll go to the chart and look for that kind of setup to explain my thought. Okay. But most of the time, they are trade that I've taken. Okay. So what is that trade today? Hold on, yes, that is the trade. And that is the trade that I'm going to explain, I'm going to talk about. This is it. This is where it started. This is it, right? Okay, so you see that here, this is the setup, right? I have a QMM opposite it, right? We have, this is where price drop into my zone where I have transformation. So I was showing about transformation and mark the level price have dropped inside the level, right? On 1 minute, I found an area and I get a buy. Okay, so this is the same setup that someone did. All right. Okay, and this is the results. Okay. And here I was explaining it. Okay. So it is not as if we do replay. Okay. All right. So let's go to today's trade and let me uh, give you explanation on that. All right. So good. Okay. So you can see these are all set up. Some of them are transformation. So for instance, in this particular area here, sorry, here, okay, let me check here. This is transformation. Okay. I think yes, this is transformation. All right. Why is it transformation? 30-minute engulfing. Okay. You see a 30-minute engulfing. Okay. On 15 minutes, we have open close that people are asking what's the meaning of open close? The same as the gap. Okay. So open close, open close equals gap equals kissing candles, and the same as double Marubozu DMB. Okay, DMD or DMB, I don't. Okay, double Marubozu. So they are the same thing. So sometimes you can hear me using the name interchangeably. When you hear open close, I mean it is two candles of the same color. Okay, two candles of the same color. So if these are bearish candles with a wick, okay, okay, and another wick here. So this is the close of the first candle and the opening of another candle. So that level is what we call the open close. All right, so this is the open close. Okay, open and close, or gap, or kissing candle. Some people refer them as kissing candle because the two candles are kissing. Okay, and bilateral refers to it as what double marble. So that is supply and demand. Okay. 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 So we go on. So you see that here, where was I? Okay. So here we have the open close, and the open close is way below 15 minutes open and close, or double Marubuzu, or kissing candle is way below. Then go to 5 minutes. And when we go to 5 minutes, we're going to find that base rally. Okay. So I'm going to find that base rally. And therefore, your point of entry is this. That is it. Just tap into it and continue going. And then here it flies. Okay, so here, what do I have here? Here, I have a 30-minute engulfing, I think. Okay. Yes, I have a 30-minute engulfing. So when I mark that engulfing, mark this engulfing, I want to see something in it. I go to 15 minutes. Okay, where I really, okay, so go to 15 minutes. Okay, so on 15 minutes, we have that open close. Okay, you have this open close somewhere. All right. Now go to 5 minutes. I found nothing. I think there was nothing on 5 minutes. No additional confirmation of 5 minutes. Yeah, but we have a base rally hidden. Okay, but that is not why I took the trade. It is this left shoulder that is opposite the level. Okay, so this is my level for taking the trade. Okay, this is not transformation. Okay, now here again, this particular level, this particular level. Okay, there's what? A 30-minute engulfing. Switch to 15 minutes. You find that gap. Okay, that double Marubuzu is there, or that hidden base, or that kissing candle is there. So you have a kissing candle somewhere here, right? Okay, you can confirm further. You have the base here. So that's your trade. Okay, it happens. It happens. You just need to know how to use it. All right. So let's go to today's trade. Let me clear all this. All right, and go to today's trade. Now, today's trade was simple. This is what you had. Okay. One, price was coming from a daily, the previous day. Okay. So yes, we got those are the buys that we're getting. But those buys were early buys to confirm a direction. So once price was able to engulf this candle, right, was able to confirm this candle, we knew the direction is bullish. Okay, so we have a bullish direction. All right. So normally we want to see a retest of this candle, this bearish candle. All right. So daily is bullish because we have rejected a daily engulfing and created a 4 hour engulfing. So the daily was confirmed even from here when we created this 4 hour engulfing. Okay, this 4 hour engulfing was a good trade. This another 4 hour engulfing. So once we tap into the daily and create a 4 hour engulfing, we have direction. This one also was direction that we are going up, okay, weekly, and daily is bullish. All right, so now after breaking all this level, so what do we have? We have a 4 hour QM, okay, so we have a left shoulder here. That was supposed to be a reversal zone. At least this should have been a sell area. Price should have rejected this level, but price rather broke the level and left this base. Okay, so we have left shoulder broken and a base left opposite it. All right, so we have a QM here. So this is our level for a buy. Therefore, we'll be waiting for price to come back. Right, I know most people will be expecting price to come here, right? Others will be expecting price to come here. Okay, and we are doing reactive trading. Okay, so here we mark this particular level and we're waiting for this and go into that zone. There's an SNRC2 that price violated a little bit. Okay, so we have a strong resistance. Price breaks the strong resistance and create what? Closes below the resistance. So yes, this is an area where you want to buy. But now look at this 30-minute engulfing. Okay. It was mitigated at a wick, right? So that 30-minute engulfing had something. So I look into this 30-minute engulfing and this 30-minute engulfing. Let's check both of them. Okay. This 30-minute engulfing. Now you go to 15 minutes. This one has a double maru. You see, this one also has a double maru. All right. Now we go to 15 minutes. All right. This one has a base. Okay. This one has a base, a very beautiful base. Look at what price did. And in the description, I always said that the kissing candle or the transformation will always give you a nice reaction. So it gave a very strong reaction, right? However, this was liquidity, right? For this, once this became liquidity for this area was a strong level. Price hit it, right? And so after this rejection, 5 minutes, I was on 1 minute looking for trade. So on 1 minute, right? This is not my entry technique, or it's a high risk entry technique, but I use it because of the level price came in, this transformation, a trust transformation, to give me a very good, so here, a very good move. So here, we created an engulfing in 1 minute, and we created an engulfing field in the same 1 minute, okay? So this pullback is my entry. Okay, I didn't set stop loss. Okay, but if I was supposed to set the stop loss, it's supposed to be down here. So boom, partials is taken here. Okay, but what are we doing? We are trading what level? It's a 4 hour level. Okay, it's a 4 hour level. we're looking at the 4 hour level here, and therefore we take profit at the nearest 4 hour level. I think on this one, you can see, so here is the exit, this is a 4 hour engulfing. Okay, 4 hour engulfing somewhere here around the level. So price hit it. So now for tomorrow, I'll be trying to buy here, but because of NFP, maybe I might not be trading tomorrow. Okay. So if price comes here, let me check this engulfing 4 hour. Okay, you have a double maroon. Okay, 30 minutes, what do you have? Okay, so tomorrow, this will be a very good buy zone for me. Okay, specifically around this level. Okay, and there are other things. It's not just the transformation. There are other things that you need to consider. You need to consider direction. You need to consider where price is coming from and other stuff. There are a lot of things that I call SO1 and SO2 that you need to use. And if it's not part of it, it doesn't make this whole thing a strong strategy. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be very much educative. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.